In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a product on Facebook Marketplace. If you have an item listed that has already been sold, you no longer want to offer it, or you simply posted it by mistake, Facebook makes it fairly easy to remove that listing. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can find the right menu and delete the product without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Facebook. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you're using the account that originally created the marketplace listing because listings are tied to the profile that posted them. After you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu on the Facebook homepage and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace area where you can manage buying and selling activity. Depending on your screen size or browser window, the layout may look slightly different, but the Marketplace option is usually easy to spot in the left sidebar. Next, click your profile icon within Marketplace. This opens your seller-related options and gives you access to your active and past listings. From there, select your listings. This is the section where Facebook stores the products you currently have posted. Now take a moment to locate the specific product you want to remove. If you have several listings, it can help to look carefully at the title, image, or price, so you choose the correct item before deleting anything. Since deleting a listing removes it from Marketplace, it's a good idea to double check that you found the right one. Once you found the product, click the three dots next to that listing. This opens a small menu with actions you can take for that item. In that menu, select Delete Listing. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm this action just to make sure you don't remove the item by accident. When the confirmation message appears, click Delete to finalize the process. After that, the product will be removed from your Facebook Marketplace listings, and that's all it takes. Open Facebook, go to Marketplace, click your profile icon, choose your listings, find the item, open the three-dot menu, select Delete Listing, and confirm by clicking Delete. If you don't see the listing